Wow, what a beautiful dish! Hi there! Today we're going to fry some pork loin. It looks and tastes great. Let's do it! We need 600 grams of pork loin. Then we need oyster sauce and also chicken powder. Then some honey, satay, and some cooking oil. Begin by marinating the pork with 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Also, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then, half tablespoon of satay. Also, half tablespoon of honey. And finally, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Mix it well and marinate it for at least 15 minutes. Then, in a hot pan, add a little bit of oil. Now add the first rib, then the second rib. Now make space for the third rib. Now lower the heat to medium and turn them to the other side. Turn them again and fry them until they become golden brown both sides. You can serve it with rice or vermicelli. You can also add an omelette if you like it. It's up to you. Now add the main attraction. And voila! Look at that beauty! Bon appétit!